Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aditya Darmawan Supardi from Fakultas of Human Resource Management, Faculty of Economics, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. At this moment, I want to present my thesis. The title is The Influence of Interpersonal Communications, Compensation, and Work Environment on Employee Job Satisfaction at PT Raja Wali Nusantara Indonesia. In background of this research, in today's global competition, the use of advanced technology, especially communication and information technology, political fragmentation, and economic integration results in free competition and dependency, where someone depends on others to meet their needs. Human resource play an important role in all business operations. Business activities cannot run well without strong human resources, even though the company has promising resources, infrastructure, and funds. Nelventi et al. 2018. Company leaders must pay attention to employee job satisfaction. Employees who are dissatisfied with their jobs can be identified through low levels of absenteeism and low level of commitment to the organization. Soliha et al. 2022. According to the data obtained from PT Raja Wali Nusantara Indonesia, the company's job satisfaction value in 2023 is 2.95 out of 4. The remuneration system is identified as the variable with the lowest value. The percentage of satisfied employee in the company has decreased by 10%, indicating low job satisfaction within the company. Sategu et al. 2023. And preliminary questionnaire results factor affecting job satisfaction. The pre-research result from 40 respondents show that the highest factor was interpersonal communication at 65% or 26 respondents, followed by compensation factors 55% or 22 respondents, and work environment factors at 40% or 16 respondents. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Interpersonal communication definition. Interpersonal communication is the process of conveying message, both verbal and non-verbal, between two people or groups with supporting skill to get direct feedback. Dimension of interpersonal communication, according Prasetyo et al. 2016. First, openness to empathy. 3, supportive attitude. 4, positive attitude. 5, equality. Compensation definition is a form of financial or non-financial rewards given to individuals for carrying out and completing certain work assigned to them and for achieving a set standard or target. Dimension from compensation, according Indi et al. 2021. First, direct compensation and indirect compensation. Work environment definition is a series of conditions around where employees work that can influence their activities. Dimensions from work environments, according Jaya 2022, physical environment and non-physical environment. Job satisfaction is the condition of employees in carrying out their work based on evaluation or assessment of work with positive or happy feelings. Dimension from job satisfaction, according Seto et al. 2023. First, the work itself. 2, salary. 3, promotions. 4, supervision. 5, coworker. From framework of theory, hypothesis. First, communications interpersonal and towards job satisfaction has significant. And chapter 3, research methodology. The research was carried out with a period of February 2024 to July 2024. The research was conducted in a company engaged in food production, namely PT Raja Wali Nusantara Indonesia, with 2,067 employee and sample 160 employee. Chapter 4, result and discussion. Descriptive analysis of interpersonal communication based on the percentage result of respondents answer to a statement about interpersonal communication on table 4.6, the average obtained is equal to 89.6%, which is in the category very high. Therefore, this data explains that interpersonal communication existing employees at PT Raja Wali Nusantara is classified very high. And descriptive analysis of compensation dimensions based on the percentage result of respondents' answer to the statement about compensation in table 4.7, the average obtained is equal to 81.67%, which is in the category of very high. Therefore, based on this data, it explains compensation for existing employees at PT Raja Wali Nusantara Indonesia is classified very high. A descriptive analysis of work environment dimensions based on the percentage results of respondent answer to a statement about the work environment in table 4.8. The average obtained is equal to 80.9%, which is in the category of very high. Therefore, based on this data, it explains the work environment of existing employee at PT Raja Wali Nusantara is classified as very high. Descriptive analysis of job satisfaction dimension based on the percentage results of respondent answer to a statement about job satisfaction in table 4.9. The average obtained is equal to 89%, which is in the category of very high. Therefore, based on this data, is explain the job satisfaction of existing employees at PT Raja Wali Nusantara Indonesia is classified as very high. Validity test results. First, all variable or item, interpersonal communication is information valid that show R count more than R table, and compensation result validity test also valid all of item because R count more than R table. Result of validity test work environment is valid all of item because R count more than R table. Results of validity test job satisfaction also valid all of item because R count more than R table. In reliability test results, interpersonal communication Cronbach alpha, it can be concluded that all the variables used in this research have a high level of reliability. This can be seen from the coefficient value Cronbach alpha, all of which are worth above 0.6. Thus, it can be concluded that the questionnaire used to measure variables communication in interpersonal communication, compensation, and work environment has shown consistent result. In classic assumption test, result of normality test seem significant to tell 0.200 is and result of linearity test interpersonal communications in linearity significant 0.00. Linearity test compensation also 0.00 or under 0.05, and results of linearity test work environment also significant 0.00. So this linearity have relationships. Yes, result of multicollinearity test interpersonal communication factor in 1.782 and compensation 1.813, work environment 2.329. The result of heterogeneity test distribution normal or and multiple linear analysis test results based on the table. The multiple linear regression equation can be prepared as follow: y equal 4.158 plus 0.597x1 plus 0.934x2 plus 0.061x3 plus E. Hypothesis test results. Based on the t-table above, the result of hypothesis testing using the t-test obtain the following results. 1. Intermediate t-test interpersonal communication with job satisfaction to employee in PT Raja Wali Nusantara Indonesia shows that there is a significant positive influence between interpersonal communication to job satisfaction. Second, intermediate t-test compensation with job satisfaction to employee at PT Raja Wali Nusantara Indonesia shows that value there is a significant positive influence between compensation to job satisfaction. Third, intermediate t-test work environment with job satisfaction to employees at PT Raja Wali Nusantara Indonesia shows that value is not significant. There is a positive influence between work environment to job satisfaction. Based on the table F test results, it is known that there is an influence on interpersonal communication, compensation, and work environment to job satisfaction. F test point 116.53 and significance 000. Coefficient determination from this table, it can be concluded that the adjusted R-square value is 0.686 or 68.67%. It means that interpersonal communication, compensation, and work environment together or simultaneously influence job satisfaction is as much as 68.6%, and the remaining 31.4% is influenced by other variables not examined in this research. And the conclusion, interpersonal communication, an independent variable, is declared to be influential, partial, positive, and significant towards job satisfaction to employee at PT Raja Wali Nusantara Indonesia. Compensation as an independent variable is declared to be influential, partially, positive, and significant towards job satisfaction to employee at PT Raja Wali Nusantara Indonesia. Work environment as the independent variable is stated as no influence, partial, positive, and significant towards job satisfaction to employee at PT Raja Wali Nusantara Indonesia. Suggestion: apply patterns of communication effectively, including if each other needs to reduce miscommunication and give constructive feedback to help employees understand what needs repair and provide the clear direction to achieve work goals. Second, management should establish a clear reward system to recognize and incentivize employees who make outstanding contribution or achieve certain results. Third, management should carry out period evaluation of condition and work environment around the office with added ventilation air, as well as make adjustment to layout room work if needed to ensure comfort and appropriateness of employee works. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.